listen carefully. So the graphical representation of Einstein photoelectric equation. So the graph is plotted between maximum kinetic energy and frequency. So frequency is plotted in x-axis, that is frequency, and maximum kinetic energy is plotted in y-axis, that is k maximum. See, this graph is plotted between maximum kinetic energy and frequency of incident light. First of all, initially when the frequencies increases, that time only kinetic energy is also increases. It is a slowly, the graph is like a straight line only, but it is slightly only rising. So like that will come. That means up to this much, that is nu naught. Nu naught, you know, that is a threshold frequency. Up to threshold frequency like that much, there is no free electrons is moving in kinetic energy. Up to threshold frequency, the kinetic energy is level is 0. After the threshold frequency nothing but like a minimum frequency. So when the frequency is increases, the ejected electrons kinetic energy is also increases. So this is the graph is like a straight line. So up to this much, that is a nu means that is a frequency, high frequency. Draw the negative axis means like that. Up to this much, the energy of each photon is h nu naught. So this is a maximum range, that is like a saturation current is producing like that. So up to this much, the energy of each photon is total energy, that is h nu. This is threshold frequency range, that is h nu naught. This is h nu. This is one metal. After this experiment did the Einstein, then it is verified. Another one scientist Millingen, he found that different metal using potassium, sodium, lithium, the graph is like that. That is a actually result is he is found the slope is independent of the metal. So that is for each metal like a different slope, that is a different straight line. So for example, cesium means like that, then potassium means like that, then sodium means like that, slightly varying, then calcium means like that. So up to this much, the threshold frequency range, here up to this much, here up to this much, here up to this much, and so on. So after he found that the slope is independent of the metal. Okay, this is a very important question, my dear students. Study thoroughly. This is a very, very, very important question. Explain Einstein photoelectric equation and also the explanation of photoelectric effect. It is a 4-point having already taught with the Divya or Nimin. Okay, similar topic. There is laws of, I think, Adul Chandran, not Nimin. This is a 5-point having the loss of photoelectric emission. Instead of that same point only, I will teach also. Okay.